Before a person can start to read a sentence, okay, before a person can start to read a word, you have to be able to know the sound of each letter in the word. The word CAT is the word cat. But before a person can read cat, you have to know the sound of C, you have to know the sound of A, and you have to know the sound of T. Okay? The word cat is spelled C A and then T. But before you can read CAT, you have to know what the sound for C. Each letter has a sound. You have to know the sound for A, and then you have to know the sound for T. So in this video, I am going to tell you what the sound of each letter is. Okay? So repeat after me for each letter sound that I say. I want you to go ahead and repeat it. This is the letter A. The sound for the letter A is either A or it's A. A or A. A or A. This is the letter B. The sound for the letter B is B, B, B. This is the letter C. The sound for the letter C is K, K, K. This is the letter D. The sound for the letter D is D, D, D. This is the letter E. The sound for the letter E is Eh, Eh, Eh. This is the letter F. The sound for the letter F is F, F, F. This is the letter G. The sound for the letter G is G, G, G. This is the letter H. The sound for the letter H is H, H, H. This is the letter I. The sound for the letter I is I, I, I. The sound can also be I, I, I. This is the letter J. The sound for the letter J is J, J, J. This is the letter K. The sound for the letter K is K, K, K. This is the letter L. The sound for the letter L is L, L, L. This is the letter M. The sound for the letter M is mm, mm, mm. This is the letter N. The sound for the letter N is mm, mm, mm. This is the letter O. The sound for the letter O is ah, ah, ah. The sound for the letter O can also be O, O, O. This is the letter P. The sound for the letter P is P, P, P. This is the letter Q. The sound for the letter Q is K, K, K. This is the letter R. The sound for the letter R is R, R, R. This is the letter S. The sound for the letter S is S, S, S. This is the letter T. The sound for the letter T is T, T, T. This is the letter U. The sound for the letter U is ah, ah, ah. The sound for U can also be U, U, U. This is the letter V. The sound for the letter V is V, V, V. This is the letter W. The sound for the letter W is W, W, W. This is the letter X. The sound for the letter X is Ks, Ks, Ks. This is the letter Y. The sound for the letter Y is Y, Y, Y. This is the letter Z. The sound for the letter Z is Z, Z, Z. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play a video that shows you what the sounds of all of these letters are.